How to play Unturned with friends. I'm going to tell you how to play Unturned with friends. The easiest way is to host your own server or join one that already exists. If you want to host, download the Unturned dedicated server from Steam's tools section. Then follow a simple guide online to set it up properly. I recommend checking the official Unturned documentation or a step by step tutorial on the Steam community page. Once your server is ready, just give your friends your IP and port so they can connect through the play menu. If you don't want to host, you and your friends can simply search for the same community server in the in game browser. Join it together and start playing right away. Either way, you'll be exploring, building, and surviving as a group in no time.